today I'm going to show you how to set up your classes for map testing. This needs to be done before you walk into the computer lab. Alright, step one is to go to www.nwea.org. Once there, you hit this logins button over here on the right, then scroll back over to the left and hit map login, and it'll take you to the login page. I have mine saved for me thanks to Google Chrome, but if you don't, your username should be your first initial, last name, and then whatever password you created. If that doesn't work, try your first initial, last name, and then 1 for your login. Some of you got a 1 added to it. Anyway, then you're going to log in. Yours is going to look slightly different than mine. You have less buttons on the left than I do. But you want to go to Manage Test Sessions and click on that. Then you want to click Find Students to Test. Then you're going to select School. There's only one choice. Can't pick wrong. Only one grade. You can't pick wrong. Now you need to find your name on the list. There's my name. And now for classes. These are some sections numbers. You probably don't know which one it is you're going to have to do, but or if you have 1 or 5, whatever it is. So just pick the first one and go with it. And then hit Search. And when it pulls up, this appears to be my 6th-hour class. So then I'm going to click Add Students. Alright, when I do that, I'm going to scroll down here, and all of them are here. I'm going to check over the list and say, oh, Ryan, he switched classes. So I don't want him in this class anymore. So I'm going to click the box next to his name and remove him and say, okay. Oh, ignore that. Alright, now, but I realized, oh no. Let's see, Cole Haas is supposed to be in this hour, and he's not. So I can put my cursor back up here on last name and type in Haas. And it might be better just to take away the instructor just to be safe. And then hit Search. Whoops, what did I do? Oh, he's not in this class. Just kidding. Get out of the code. So it's searching all classes. And then search for him. Oh, there's Cole. Now I can put him back in my class. Okay, now I've got my class. So you can add and subtract students as needed. We have updated a pretty current list, so it should be fairly accurate. All right, before we do anything, we want to assign him a test. So I'm going to click on this button here, and this top one over here, and that checked all the boxes. Then I'm going to click Assign Tests. And now I need to select it. If you're doing math, you want to do this one, Math 6 plus, blah, blah, blah. If you are doing reading, you need to do this one, Math Reading 6 plus, blah, blah, blah. We don't want to do any of the survey options, and we don't want to do any of these end of course. We are looking just at math. For math, it's Math 6 plus, and for reading, Reading 6 plus. I'm math, so I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to click Assign, and I'm ready to go. Now, I want to save this test session because I'm not going to use it now. And I'm going to call this Hour 6. Something simple. They're going to have to type it, so, you know, keep it reasonable. Then hit Save and Exit. Oops, that already exists. How about Hour 6? Whoops, that's funny. Hour 6. Okay, Save and Exit. Now, if I go back to Manage Test Sessions and I say, oh, where's this class I just saved? Well, you can hit Show. Ta-da! Here it is. Hour 6. There's my group. All right? And then we can go back here and we're ready to test. But that's video 2. These classes need to be set up before you test. Please refer to the email as to the dates they need to be set up by.